欢养狗。
特别是那些被训练过的狗，带出门呢，真的是感觉非常好。
Kaya I'm sure magugustuhan yung lahat at sila Barkada. 我肯定大家都会喜欢。I'm sure you will all love this. The basics of dog training.
Chinoy Barkada, one of the hardest and trickiest parts of having a dog is to make them follow you. Sumarang or Tijuana. Because if they start misbehaving, then it would be trouble of the canine proportion. 那就太麻烦了。因为我们知道很多人喜欢养狗，所以呢，我们今天要来看怎么样训练狗儿 ，How to train dogs. Tara na, only here on Chinoy Active.
It was during 127 to 116 BC in which a Roman farmer wrote a series of advices on raising and training puppies for herding that has proved to be the earliest recorded attempt of dog training. Nowadays, aside from the basic obedience training, dogs can be trained for specialized activities like law enforcement, hunting, search and rescue, and assistance to people with disabilities.
Chinoy Barkada, so dog training is basically just teaching dogs how to respond to our commands. Tama po ba, Oliver?
Tama yun. Bali, for example, meron kang alagang aso, it is our responsibility as dog owners to teach dogs to be properly behaved. And then, for example, this is the dog. Meron ka munang treat para sumunod yung dog. Give the command, sit, and then, pwede mo siyang turuan na umupo. I-press mo lang dito. Pagka nag-sit na siya, ibibigay mo yung treat.
Very good! Good dog!
Kapag down, idadirect mo rin siya kung ano kailangan niyang gawin. So, for example, nakasit siya, yung treat, papaamoy mo sa kanya, tapos ipapag-down mo siya. Kailangan mo siya i-guide. So, ang gagawin mo, hawak mo yung leash, sabihin mo lang doon sa aso, stay. Bitawan mo yung leash. Pwede rin apakan mo yung leash kasi baka tumakbo. Stay. Layo ka ng konti. Bilang ka 3 seconds lang. Tapos balik ka, bigay ng 3. So dapat matutunan ng dog, pag nag-stay, stay lang siya dyan. So ngayon, naka-stay command si Hans. Papalapitin ko siya sa akin kasi gusto ko na siyang tawagin. Hans, come. Pagdating sa'yo, maganda wag mo muna bigyan ng treat. Pinakamaganda, mag-sit muna siya. Bakit? Tinuturuan lang natin ng discipline yung dog.
Ang lalapitin natin si Hans. Tignan natin kung ubra yung power sa kanya. Hans, come! Come! Okay. Very good, very good.
Ang heel, ibig sabihin yan, kapag naglalakad ka, yung dog mo nasa side mo lang. Hindi siya naghihila. So, paano mo iti-train ng heel? For example, naglalakad, tapos nauna yung dog, hihilain mo ngayon. Kung nasa huli naman siya, kailangan hihilain mo rin. So, I would like to invite everybody, mga dog lovers, cat lovers, or animal lovers, punta lang po kayo dito sa Puch Park. Our branches are at Ortigas Home Depot, Robinsons Metro East, Alimol, and hopefully by end of February or March, meron po tayo sa The District, Imus, Cavite.
There you have it, Chinoy Barkada. For more Chinoy